I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And I'm Dawson, Kathy's son.
And we're going to show you milk today. A lot of times, my kids, they want cereal, and I forgot to make the milk, so he is a pro milk maker.
He is. And we wanted him to show you how it's done. And now there's some advantages to our Thrive milk over regular milk, because most people will just have a bowl of cereal and pour out the milk. But Dawson makes it in the morning, and he's amazing at it. So he's going to do it right now.
Go ahead.
So we, with this jug, we only have a half or full cup of powdered milk to make it.
The descriptions, like, of how to make it, instructions, that's it,
Yeah.
are on the can. So it's usually 3 tablespoons of powder to 1 cup of water. But we've done it a lot that we put 1 cup to the size jug that we have.
So Dawson just mixes it up, and most of your friends, do they have powdered milk or?
They do not know. They just have store-bought milk, and I don't really taste the difference. It's kind of like it's there. It's just, you know, milk. You use milk and cereal. There's not much. I don't taste that much of a difference. It's really nice. Yeah.
We've been using this for almost 8 years now, the Thrive milk, and my kids love it. And I love it because I don't have to be hauling milk jugs in every week, and the kids just make it themselves. Do you want to add some ice?
So kids can go through a lot of milk like really fast. But the nice thing about this is you just throw it in the fridge and chill it. And then really there is no difference in taste. It's pretty amazing.
You can chill it, or if it's in the morning, you still want to have it cold, you just throw in ice, and then it chills it right away.
There we go.
Yeah.
So Dawson is actually, it's not morning, but he could eat cereal all day long.
Oh,
Couldn't you?
yes.
Yeah.
That's, my boys were like that too. So he's going to demonstrate how to eat it.
How to eat it.
How to eat milk. You can drink it too, but you can eat it. Oh, so that's amazing.
Yes. Love me some good Cheerios.
There you go. See how fast that milk refreshed? So it was really, really quick. All you needed to do is add the water, add the milk, stir it up, and it's ready to go. And it's not even chunky.
If you do just tap water, it mixes really easy. If you have it already icy cold, it will have little chunks on the top, but just know that it does dissolve really good without having to, just a whisk will do.
So remember,
You can do this too.